episode, we are going to talk about how we can integrate the natural number, the natural logarithmic function, which is the lnx. This function is have a strategic way of dealing with it when it comes to integration. So this year, we have to employ the knowledge of by part, because this we can't just pick the function and integrate straight away, because in disguise this function is just 1 times ln x dx, right? So this right here means that you can't integrate ln x just simple like that, ln x, right? So what we do is that you pick ln x to be the differentiated function, so that you pick 1 to be the integrated function. Integration is just you are making, when you talk about integration, you are just making work difficult because you are adding up, right? But differentiation, you try to reduce the workload by subtracting something. Okay, so let's look at how we can deal with this. So here we let our u equals ln x. So differentiating both sides, differentiate ln x, you have 1 over x dx. So once we have this information, then we can say that our 1 dx, okay, becomes the div. So we have div equals 1 dx. Okay, so integrating both sides, then we have v equals x. So once we have all these informations, then we can go ahead and quote our traditional formula for by parts, which is integral u div is equal to uv minus integral v du, right? We have all these arguments. So we just do substitution where u is ln x and the v is x. So we have x ln x minus integral v, which is x, and our du here is 1 on x dx. So this, let's denote it by I. So we have I equals x ln x, and minus, this cancels this, we have integral 1 dx, right? So we're going to have our integration to be x ln x minus, the integral 1 dx is basically x, right? So we have x right here plus our constant of integration. But we know that this can be simplified. So we have I equals x out ln x minus 1 plus a constant of integration. And this becomes the final solution to this particular problem. Ladies and gentlemen, always don't forget that when you have ln x dx and you want to integrate, then your ln x, right? Your ln x will represent your u, okay? And your div will be equal to 1 dx. Okay, so that is how we go by to integrate ln x dx. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your mates, and I'll give you more updates. Bye-bye.